Hello everyone. In this video, we discuss about object.assign in JavaScript. So what is object.assign? Object.assign method is used to copy the values and properties from one or more source object to a target object. Let us see what it means in action. Let's create one object constant subject name value maths. Same way, let's create one more object called marks, and here create a property called score and give. So now if you want to copy the values and properties of marks to the subject, you can use the object.assign. So let's say constant result object dot assign, and you can see it takes target as first parameter and source as second or third parameter. So which means we can pass one target and as many as sources. So here I pass target as subject and source marks. Now let us go and print result console.log result. So let's go to index.html and run with live server. If you are not aware of how to set up live server at Visual Studio Code, please do watch my video. So browser is app. Let's open console. Let me save it again. Now you can see that name, maths and score 60. What object.assign does is it copies all the values and properties of source to the target, and target here is subject, and after that it returns the merged object. So nothing but a result object here. It will copy the score property from marks to the subject, which is target object, and it will copy its value also, which is nothing but 60, and it returns the object. So whenever it is written object, you can see the value in result. So the result object is having name, which is already one property of subject, and score, which is copied from the marks to the subject. And let's say if you already having the score property here, and let's say 45. So when you go and save it, now you can see that still it is showing score 60 only. Now in the target, value of the score is overwritten by the value of the score in marks object. And let's say you have one more object like this, and where you just have again grade, and let's say I pass A grade or some no C grade. Now if you go and save it, you can see that so the property which is available in the third object, even that is copied to the target object, and you can see the value here also C. You can pass as many as source objects. For example, if the third object is having the again the score property, and with the value let's say 10, and if you go and save, now you can see that maths and score is 10. So now it is taken the score value from the third object instead of the second object, which is marks. Means the last object will given the priority. So that is the reason we can see that score value is 10 instead of the 60 or 45. So this is how you can use the object.assign to merge the objects and to copy the values and properties from one object to another object. Now we see some real-time scenario when to use the object.assign. I just remove this. I create one function print username. So it takes user object as input parameter, and here I write console.log hello, and here I use, let's say, user having the first name, so user dot f name, user dot last name, which is nothing but l name. I use it user dot L name. So here we would like to print a value like hello John Smith. So like that. So first name and last. For that we need to, so let's call print username and pass the object. So f name Janu and L name Doi. And now save it and you can see that hello John Doe. So it works well. Let's say I remove the F name and only pass the L name. Now you can see that hello undefined Doe. So in this case, we are not passing the F name and this object is containing only L name. So how to handle this? So whenever F name is not available in the object, we would like to show some default name like John, for example. So constant temp equal to, I am creating some temporary object F name with the default F name. Let's say John. Now what we do here, user equal to, so this is the user what we pass to the print username at the time of calling. Here you can use object dot assign and here target object is temp and you can use the user object as a source. So now what it will do, we pass the L name in the user object but it doesn't contain the F name. So this will copy this L name to the temp which is having the F name and assign this result to the user. So the user will object will be having the F name and L name after object did assign match the both temp and user objects. Let's save it now. Now you can see hello John Doe. So in this case, you can use the object assign. So this is one of the case. So object assign is very useful and you can use this object assign to clone the object also. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Thank you.